Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's learn some English together.
Hey Lily, good morning. How's your morning going?
Hey Ben, pretty good actually. I had coffee, I did a little exercise. It was a nice morning.
Nice. I love mornings like that. Mine was a little different.
Oh no, what happened?
Well, I woke up with a really bad headache, and my throat was sore too.
Aw, I'm sorry to hear that. Did you take anything for it?
Yeah, I took some medicine, but honestly, I think I need to see a doctor. I don't really like going to the doctor.
Ha! Nobody does. But you should go, Ben. It's important.
I know. Actually, that gives me an idea for today's video.
Oh, what idea?
Well, a lot of our viewers are learning English, right? And one really useful skill is knowing how to talk to a doctor in English.
Oh, that's such a good topic. I remember when I first moved to a new city, I didn't know a single doctor, and I got sick. It was so stressful.
Really? What happened?
So I had a really bad stomach ache, and I didn't know what to say at the clinic. I just kept pointing at my stomach.
No way.
Yes! The nurse looked so confused. I felt so embarrassed.
That's actually a really common problem. A lot of people know English words, but when they're at the doctor, they freeze. They don't know what to say.
Exactly! It's a very specific kind of English. So today, let's teach our friends some simple, useful phrases.
Perfect. Let's start from the beginning. Imagine you walk into a clinic. What's the first thing that happens?
Usually the receptionist asks you some questions first. Like, do you have an appointment?
Right. And if you don't, you can say,
No, I don't. Can I make an appointment, please?
good one. Or if it's urgent, you can say,
This is an emergency. Can I see a doctor now?
great. Now, once you're with the doctor, they usually ask something like,
What's wrong? Or what brings you in today?
yes, that's a really common question. What brings you in today? It just means, why are you here? What's the problem?
Right. And here's where a lot of learners get stuck. They don't know how to describe how they feel.
Totally. So let's slow down here. This is really important.
Okay, let's say you have a headache. You can simply say,
I have a headache.
very simple, right? Or maybe your stomach hurts.
My stomach hurts. Or I have a stomach ache.
Exactly. And if you have a fever,
I think I have a fever. Or I feel really hot.
good. What about if you feel like throwing up?
Oh, that's I feel nauseous. Or more simply, I feel like I'm going to throw up.
Not the nicest phrase, but very useful.
Ha! True. Okay, what if you're really tired? Like no energy at all?
You can say, I feel really weak, or I have no energy.
Nice. Now, here's something important. Pain. How do we talk about pain in English?
Great question. So, doctors often ask, on a scale of 1 to 10, how bad is the pain?
Right, and you just say a number. Like,
It's about a 7. Or, it's really bad, maybe a 9.
simple and clear. Also, doctors might ask, is the pain sharp or dull?
Sharp means it hurts suddenly, like a quick pain. Dull means it's a soft, constant pain.
Good explanation. And they might ask, when did it start?
You can answer, it started yesterday, or it's been 2 days.
Perfect. Now, Lily, remember your stomach story? What should you have said?
Oh my gosh, I should have said, I have a stomach ache. It started this morning and the pain is really sharp.
See, that's so much better than just pointing.
I know. I learned my lesson that day.
Okay, let's talk about something else. Allergies and medicine. This is super important too.
Yes, if you're allergic to something, you must tell the doctor.
How do we say that?
I'm allergic to penicillin, or I have an allergy to peanuts.
Very important sentence. What if you're already taking medicine?
You say, I'm currently taking, and then the name of the medicine. Or, I take this medicine every day.
Good. And sometimes the doctor gives you a prescription. What does that mean?
A prescription is like a paper that lets you buy special medicine at the pharmacy.
Right. And you might ask the doctor, how many times a day should I take this?
Or, do I take this before or after meals?
Great question to remember. Now, let's talk about something a little different. Describing symptoms that are hard to explain.
Oh, yes, like when you just feel off but you don't know why?
Exactly. You can say, I don't feel well. Very simple, very useful.
Or, something feels off but I'm not sure what.
Good one. What about a cough or cold symptoms?
I have a cough. I have a runny nose. I keep sneezing.
Nice and simple. And if your throat hurts, like mine today?
I have a sore throat. You should really say that to a doctor, Ben.
Okay, I will after this video.
Good. Now, let's imagine the appointment is finishing. What does the doctor usually say?
They might say, get some rest, or drink plenty of water.
Or, come back if it doesn't get better.
And you can say, thank you, doctor, or I appreciate your help.
Simple, polite, and it works every time.
This has been such a helpful conversation. I feel like even I learned something today.
Me too, honestly. It's good to review these phrases sometimes.
Definitely. Let's do a quick recap for everyone watching.
Good idea. So, remember, when you enter the clinic, you can say, I'd like to make an appointment, or this is an emergency.
When the doctor asks what's wrong, describe your symptom simply. I have a headache. My stomach hurts. I feel nauseous.
Use numbers for pain. It's about a 7 out of 10.
Mention allergies and medicine clearly. I'm allergic to, or I'm currently taking.
And always end politely. Thank you, doctor.
These phrases are simple, but they can really help in a real situation.
Exactly. English doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes just a few clear sentences are enough.
I think that's the real lesson here. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to be clear and confident.
So true. And doctors are usually very kind. They want to help you, so don't be afraid to ask questions.
Great advice. Well, I think it's time for me to take my own advice and see a doctor about this sore throat.
Yes, please do. Let us know how it goes.
I will! And to everyone watching, practice these phrases. Say them out loud, even if you're alone at home.
Yes, practicing out loud really helps you remember. And if you ever feel nervous, just remember, everyone gets nervous sometimes, even native speakers.
That's true. It's not about being perfect. It's about being understood.
Well said, Ben. I think that's a perfect place to end today.
Agreed. Thank you all for watching, and take care of your health.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye!